Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are on out of auto mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here at the third position we can see the grid option. So by using the button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines or turn them off as we need. Now let me turn it on. Let's move back to the camera. And as you can see, here in the preview we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner, slide down again to the general category and tap to the button with grid to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.